Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. Today I will show how you can update Call of Duty Mobile. So on an iPhone, in order to update the COD Mobile once the update is due, launch the Play Store, find the COD Mobile information page, here it is, and then if there will be any available updates, you'll have the update button here. So tap on it, this way you'll initialize the update for the game. When it comes to Android phones, the process is somewhat similar. So you'll need to launch the Google Play Store or Play Store instead, then find the COD Mobile app page and here open it. And on this app page you will have the update button if of course the update is due. And before I end this video, let me actually show you an example of how this update button looks like. So let's find some app that that requires an update, like this one, let's say, and the update button looks exactly like so. So tap on it and the new update will be downloaded and installed respectively. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.